Is your Windows PC stuck on a blue screen and refusing to start? Don't worry, you are not alone. In this video, I will show you step by step how to fix any boot related blue screen error in Windows 11. Just follow each step carefully and together we will bring your PC back to life. So let's get started. If your PC is stuck on a blue screen and you can't enter Windows, the first thing we need to do is force the system into recovery mode. To do this, press and hold the power button to turn the PC off. Then turn it back on, and as soon as you see the Windows logo, press the power button again to turn it off. Repeat this process 3 times. After the third restart, Windows will automatically take you to a screen that says your PC did not start correctly or your device ran into a problem and could not be repaired. Now click on this screen. Go to Troubleshoot. Then again go to Troubleshoot. Now click Advanced Options and then go to Command Prompt. Once Command Prompt opens, type these commands one by one. Bootrec space / rebuild BCT and then press enter. After that, type bootrec space / fix boot and hit enter. Here, if you see access is denied, type disk part and then press enter. Then type list space disk and then press enter. Here, identify your main disk, for example, disk 0. Now type cell space disk space 0 and press enter. You should now see disk 0 is now the selected disk. Next type list space wall and then press enter. Here you will see all partitions. Now look for a 100 to 300 MB FAT32 partition. And this is the EFI partition. And as you can see, it is in volume 5, but yours could be different. Now type select space fall space 5 and hit enter. Next type assign space letter equals K. Here you can choose any letter between M to Z. I am using K as an example and hit enter. You should now see disk part successfully assigned the drive letter. Now type exit and press enter. Before copying boot files, confirm your Windows drive letter. I think mine is F, so I will check it. So here type F : and press enter. Then type dir and hit enter. If you see folders like program files, users, Windows, recovery, then this is your Windows drive. Now type the command bcd boot space F : /Windows space /s space K : space /F space UEFI. Now replace F with your actual drive letter and replace K with your assigned letter and then press enter. And now as you can see the message boot file successfully created. Now restart your computer and check if the problem is fixed. But if not, check out my advanced tutorial for deeper fixes. I truly hope this step-by-step guide helped you fix your boot-related blue screen issue and get your PC working again. So if this tutorial helped you, then please give it a like, share and subscribe our channel for more tech tutorials and fixes. Your support really motivates me. Thank you. Thanks for watching.